All right, looking at question number one, Cece's closet takes up 1/8 of her room. What percentage is equivalent to the fraction of space the closet takes up? So as we remember, right, percents are out of 100. And so I always look at, if I'm going to change a fraction to a percent, I always look to see if they have that friendly denominator. And a friendly denominator means that it would go into 10, 100, or 1,000. So in this case, I have an 8 there. And off the top of my head, right, I know 8 doesn't go into 10, and 8 doesn't go into 100. So I have to find another way of changing this into a percent. And so the other way I can change it to a percent is to change it to a decimal first, right? So if I have 1 over 8, 1 divided by 8 is how we could say, or 1/8, we would go ahead and do some long division to change it to a decimal. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to do some long division. So remember, I'm dividing by my denominator, which is my divisor. So that has to be here. And I'm dividing by 1. Whenever I'm doing this kind of division, I always add my decimal and my quotient, and I add some extra zeros just in case I might need them. 8 goes into 1, 0 times. 8 goes into, now I'm going into 10, 8 goes into 10, 1 time. Remainder of 2, and down to 0. So now I got to go into 20, right, because I brought down to 0. 8 goes into 20, that would be 2 times. That would be 16. Remainder of 4, bring down that 0, continue my division. Now 8 goes into 45 times. So my decimal equivalent of 1/8 is equal to 125 thousandths. Now I want it out of 100, so it can be a percent, right? So we talked about how multiplying by 100 is the same thing as moving the decimal 2 times to the right. And so my answer would be 12.5%. So 12.5% is equal to